In today's video, I'm gonna do the gaming test of Bgmi in the Poco X3 Pro running Lineage OS 18.1. So I'm gonna make the video in two parts. In the first part, I'm gonna play with 89% of battery and now, as you guys can see, let's go in graphics and show you. So here we are in graphics and it is in HDR and extreme, colorful, and the anti-aliasing is 2x. Now let's just try to play a TDM and see how will it goes, because I'm not very good in playing TDMs, but let's try. And I'm gonna decrease the volume a bit because the volume is coming too loud. But yeah, I'm really excited to test BGMI in Lineage OS, and it is of course the X3 Pro, my favorite smartphone. Like, man, this is beautiful, right? This is a simulation game set in a virtual world and does not represent real life. Now, one thing I noticed, it is in HDR as you all know, and it's pretty smooth. Like, wow. That is really smooth. Let's go. Let's try to get some kills. And there is, directional audio as well. Like, you can actually feel from where the firing is happening, like from the left side or from the right side. That is really awesome. It is because of these stereo speakers in the X3 Pro. It is having an amazing dual audio experience. And it is actually very smooth right now. The battery is 89%, as you would expect. No drops right now. And the gameplay is also pretty smooth. Oh, I died. Yeah, I'm not really good in playing BGMI, but as far as I can say, the gameplay is pretty smooth. Let me increase the brightness so that you guys can see in a better way. Yeah, perfect. It's going on pretty smooth. No problems in SDR as well. There you go. Someone is here, I think. Okay. Oh my god, bro. That guy was a good player. Let's try one more time. We are not gonna give up this easy. Oh my god, I didn't got the kill. I think someone is gonna throw a bomb. There you go, I knew it. Whoa. Whoa. It's happening really good. A really nice match is happening. Come on, where are you? Come on, get the radio on. My god, oh my god, oh my god, someone is coming. Whoa. Gadget's sphere on fire. Oh, finally I died. A really nice match is happening, and I'm quite enjoying it. Like, this gameplay is very smooth. I have found zero lags right now, as of now. Maybe this is one of the smoothest ROMs for gaming, like maybe. Because yeah, it's not allowing 90 FPS, but still, the gameplay is just very smooth. Like, you're gonna love it. The way it works is awesome. No, I had to die because, yeah, there were so many of them. So as you guys have seen, the graphics are coming really nice. It's smooth, it's fluid. Okay, someone is gonna come from that side or this side. I knew that guy. Oh, that should be my kill. Where are they? Oh, there you go. There you go. We won. Yes. Gadgets Sphere MVP. Nice. First match, really awesome result. Isn't it? I loved it. It's applied, and let's see now. Whoa. Now, I can definitely say in smooth and extreme, the smoothness is actually increased. Maybe because the processor has to load less things, the load is reduced, and there is absolutely zero heating in this. That's what I want to tell you first of all. Like there's zero heating in this Poco. It's really awesome. Let's play right now. Whoa. That's very smooth, guys. Oh my god. In smooth and extreme, it is even better. There you go, I got 2 kills. Super focused. Super focused. Boom! There you go, there you go. One more time. Okay, not from this time now. Okay, someone is coming from there. Boom! There you go. Wow, that was a really nice shot, by the way. Boom! There you go. There you go. Learning Lineage OS, the part 1. And yeah, the battery life right now is 85%. It lost only 4% of battery, 2% in each match. And the gameplay was really smooth. And I found zero heating right now also. Like there is no heating happening. It's super smooth, super responsive, no problems at all. So that's pretty much it. Hope you like it. I'll see you around. Make sure you subscribe. Peace out.